Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, and I want to apologize for that. It is 2021 now. Crazy. Nick is here. He is playing video games in the other room, so if you hear him, if you hear anything, it's him. But yeah, so today I'm gonna show you how I installed these extensions in today. Maxfull Hair sent me this hair in this beautiful brown color. Yes, this is my actual hair color right here. So I'm going to show you how I put these extensions in, kind of like a leave out style, just because my hair is so dark and I do have really thick hair, and I only got one pack of these extensions. They only sent me one pack, so I made it work. But if you want to see how I installed these hair, then stay tuned. Before we get into the video though, Nick and I went to Julian last week, so here are a few clips.
The most confusing time ever been. Oh my god, dude, scared me. So bad. Looking straight to my I didn't know that was supposed to be
We're in the snow.
We made it. We did it, Joe.
We did it, Joe. We did it. Alright, so let's get into this tutorial, this install. So Maxfull Hair sent me this hair. I want to apologize in advance if you can hear Nick. He's playing video games. But like I said, Maxfull Hair sent me this hair. I got the brown balayage color. The base starts at a dark brown and then goes into this lighter caramel looking brown color. This is the 4 clips piece. This is a 7-piece set. Comes with the 4-piece clips, the big long one, and then I believe it comes with 2 of the 3-piece clips, I believe 3 of the 2-piece clips, and then one 1-piece tester clip. So this is me taking my hair out. So I'm gonna start with my hair already kind of blown and straightened out, so I could achieve this leave out look, and so my hair could be as I guess flat as possible under the extensions. Here you can see how dark my hair really is. So I'm gonna start at the crown of my head, section out. I use my eyebrow to kind of direct me, but I section out little pieces from the top. This is gonna be the leave out part. On each side I do the same thing, section out each part. Once I have the parts I want at the top, I just clip it or tie it back. Right now I'm gonna braid it just so it stays out of my face while I do this, so you guys can really see what I'm doing. But sometimes I just tie it on the top or clip it. Right now I'm just braiding it so it's a little more neat for this process. Then I can clip it out the way. Alright, and then the next part I'm gonna do is section out a part in the center of my head between the 2 parts. So one side and then the other. What I'm gonna do with these is actually I'm gonna tuck them behind my ear as much as I can. And then I'm going to start braiding down. I try to make it as tight as I can, but I'm really not the best braider, so. And then on the other side, I do the exact same thing. Just try to tuck it behind my ear as much as possible, and then braid all the way down. Try to make it as flat as possible as well. And then using a bobby pin, this is when I clip these behind against my head. Honestly, I use as many bobby pins as necessary, but I try not to use too many because then I can really feel the bobby pins poking through my extensions. I just secure the braids on either side of my head. And then the extensions are gonna go on top. Because my hair's so long, I had these two little parts from the braid sticking up, so I just used some pins to pin them down, like so. Alright, so finally we can get into the extensions. So this is the 4-piece clips. Under my braid is where I place this one, so I just go behind my head, place them under the braid. The extensions I have are the seamless clip-in ones. The clips are very secure and tight. I love them. Oh, here are the 3-piece ones, clipping them on each side. I just kind of feel out where I need to put it. I kind of play it by ear, just looking around my head to see like where each piece fits and where, you know, it looks even on my head. And then I do the same on the other side. But like I said, I did get the seamless clip-in ones. The clips are very secure compared to other extensions I've gotten in the past. I feel like when I clip these on my heads, they're very secure. This is my first time using them in this video. I was very surprised and happy. I've worn these extensions a few times since this video, since I filmed it, which was like a few days ago, and I have yet to have any shedding with this hair, which I love. I've had issues with other hairs in the past, like with the shedding issues, and with this hair, I really don't have that issue at all. And like I said, the clips are super secure, like they don't feel loose or anything ever. It's a pretty loud click when they clip on, but you know, that's how I know they're really gonna stay. After I finish putting the 3-piece and 2-piece and the 4-piece clips on my head, that's when I finally take down the leave out part on the top of my head. And this is when I go in with a straightener and pretty much start silk pressing it. I use my straightener and then I go through with a comb, and that's how I try to get it as straight as possible. Alright, so after I finish silk pressing the leave out part, my actual hair, this is what it looks like with it all straightened out. The hair is so soft, I love it. Alright, so right here I'm just going through with my straightener again, but this time to curl it, I wanted to give it like a blown out curled look. So I just go in and curl my hair as I would with a straightening iron. I just curl downwards and then pull a little bit and then release. And I just do that throughout my head until my hair is curled. Alright, and I do the same to each side. Once I finish with the curls, I like to go through with my paddle brush, just so it gives it like that blown out effect, like when you get a blowout. And this is the finished look. Like I said, I love this hair. It's so soft. The blend is so seamless too with my hair, which was so surprising. I recommend this hair. I'll have the links and everything below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Nick and I plan to be back with more videos soon, so please stay tuned. Love you guys. Bye.